The leopard seal has been gorging too, on 6 penguins a day. And even once he's caught his fill, he can't resist the thrill of the chase. Gentoos are the fastest penguins on the planet, capable of swimming 22 miles an hour. Long, powerful flippers and a streamlined, muscular body mean the leopard seal is more than a match. But if the penguin plays dead, the one that got away. But there are plenty more penguins to chase, and still months to go before the colony leaves.
To reach us, the herds must risk their lives crossing the river. The leader is taking everyone on a risky mission. They're here to steal the eggs of a crocodile.
But female crocodiles are fiercely protective. She heads to the nest to check it out. As the first youngsters emerge into the world, their mother leads the way to the river to stick together in a crocodile creche.